Okay, guys, these are some critical skills that you're going to see on our IC1 critical skills quiz. So these are some things that can help you. Also, these things will help you on your IA and on the EOC. So one thing that we want to be able to use when we are reading sentences and passages and trying to figure out what words mean, we would want to use context clues. And context clues are hints that an author gives to help define a difficult or unusual word. The clue may appear within the same sentence as the word to which it refers, or it may follow in a preceding sentence, the sentence that comes after. So 5 strategies to use with context clues. The first one is to look for the definition in the sentence. So look at the sentence right here. It says the rain was consistent, keeping the same rhythm and intensity for more than an hour. So the definition is here, keeping the same rhythm and intensity. So that tells us what consistent means. The second one, look for examples in the sentence. Alexis's hair was always a different hue, such as various shades of red, blue, and green. Well, we have some examples here of different colors, and it says her hair was always a different hue, so we can figure out that hue means color because it gave us examples of different colors. All right, number 3, look for a synonym in the sentence, and a synonym is a word that means the same thing. It says Daniel's rancor or hatred of green beans caused him to go hungry at dinner. So we know here that rancor means hatred. All right, and then number 4, it says look for the antonyms in the sentence. Tia appeared to be a very moral and upstanding young lady, but those who knew her knew that she was iniquitous. And we know an antonym is the opposite. And then we know right here where it says but, that's kind of signaling us, okay, it says that people thought she was moral and upstanding, but now we know there comes something opposite. In fact, she was actually the opposite of moral and upstanding. So we can figure out that what iniquitous means because we know it's the opposite of moral and upstanding. And then the final one, what words could you use to substitute for the underlined words where the sentence makes sense? So Michael felt replete and happy after a big dinner. So what word could fit there? Full, satiated, that kind of thing. So that's how you can use context clues and to find out the meaning of words. So some strategies to answer grammar and usage questions. So these are 4 strategies you can use to help you answer the questions. First of all, what do you know? Is there an obvious grammar rule? Number 2, does it sound right? A lot of times you can read through and hear when things are wrong, especially with usage and grammar. Number 3, eliminate, eliminate, eliminate. Usually on a test, on a quiz, especially with its multiple choice, there are going to be answers right away that you know are not right. So go ahead and just eliminate those. We call that slash the trash. And then read it aloud carefully. Sometimes reading things aloud can really help you hear it, kind of help clue you into what you should be looking for. And so it's always important to read aloud when you can. All right, and so another thing we're going to be looking at is tone. What is tone? This is the way the author expresses his or her attitude through her writing. So tone can change very quickly, or it can remain the same throughout the story, and it's expressed by the use of syntax, point of view, diction, and the level of formality in the writing. And style. Style is the way writing is dressed up or down to fit a specific context, purpose, or audience. And this is accomplished through word choice, sentence fluency, and the writer's voice. All of these things contribute to the style of a piece of writing. So this is just a little overview of what we're going to be thinking about this week for critical skills, and you'll have your critical skills quiz on Friday.